Welcome back to Whose Line Is It Anyway? Hey, listen, if you're thinking of cuddling in with the wife later, I want you to remember this face. Okay, lots of luck to you. Now, let's play a game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan, and what's going to happen is Colin's going to improvise a scene, and he's going to have to respond to sound effects made by Ryan. Here's your microphone. And Colin, your scene is you're a hairdresser on a busy day, and your colleagues have all phoned in sick. So, whenever you're ready, go. Beep, 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 boop, boop.
Oh.